Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Alright, so it is my birthday weekend and I'm getting all glammed up. I'm about to go celebrate my birthday and I'm gonna show you all how I got this beautiful look, right? Peep the outfit and peep the hair. Y'all have been asking me about this hair. Every single live I do, y'all been asking me about this hair. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna do a full video for you guys. Luxurious. All right, y'all, let's get into this hair. Look at the box. What do you notice? We're matching. This is actually my first time working with 𝐒𝐀𝐏 hair. First time ever, and I've worked with a lot of human hair brands. They have amazing quality hair. They have a whole bunch of options. They have a whole bunch of styles, length, cut, whatever. But this is actually my first time working with them. I love their packaging and we're matching. So you can find them on IG, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp, okay? So there's an option for everybody. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. There is a headband, kind of like the one I have now. I'm actually gonna take this one off. There we go. Okay, so we have a HD wig cap in here. These are really nice because they're kind of like a one size fit all. And this can be used for the ball cap method. And you guys know I don't do that. I just put my wigs on, take them off at night and put them on in the morning. We're trying to grow our hair back. I'm trying to protect my edges. Even before then, I really don't indulge in the ball cap method because it's just too much. For me, wearing a wig is a quick and simple thing that changes up your look. And it's supposed to be easy and convenient for everybody, and not everybody knows how to do all of the fancy stuff. Anyway, I'll show you the easiest and simplest way that I do my wigs, okay? Our hair comes in this big bag, Ziploc bag. I will put all of the details of this hair in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Ooh, look at this. Say hi. You gotta wave to the camera. Say hi. Banana. Banana? When I saw the picture, I already fell in love. I love the fact that this can actually be a glueless wig. You can wear it without glue. You can wear it with the spray like I normally do, or you can do the ball cap method and basically glue it down so it lasts longer. It's all up to you. But I'll show you the way I do it and the way I'm able to switch it up and still have it look, oh my goodness. This is a 24-inch. I don't know if you all can see that, but do you see those curls? Do you see those curls? Let me tell you a few reasons I like this wig. Number one is the hairline is already done for you. So the plugging, the bleaching, the middle part. Now you can switch and flip this however you want, but it already comes with a middle part, so that makes it easy. And I personally feel like middle parts look better on me, especially when it comes to these kind of wigs. And it also is a little more updated than the older version. So the hairline is actually pushed back. It's plucked and pushed back so that it looks more natural than, you know, having it right there in your face and thick and everything. So this is what that looks like. Like I said, it's already done for you. It has the 2 clips. It has multiple clips actually. And then it has the elastic band that is also adjustable. And literally you can just take your hair out of the box and put it on, okay? With that said, y'all know that I always like to add some foundation to my hair so it matches a little better. So I'm gonna be adding my Fenty Beauty foundation. I have my brush here and we are going to go ahead and make it look more natural. All right, I really love, ooh, and it feels really good. And the more you finger comb it, the hair gets bigger. That's what I love about this hair. And it's pretty full. The fullness starts from the start of the hair itself all the way down, okay? So this is not one of those thin weave that it looks long, but it's not full. This is long and full, so I like that. It's actually heavy. So this is what it looks like right now. As you can see, it's a little light for my skin tone. I'm gonna grab my foundation. Oh, that's a lot. Be careful with your foundation because it can bleed through your lace and then you have to fix it. It's not a big deal, but you just gotta do more work by trying to fix it. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just adding the foundation. This is the easiest way I've found to blend it so that I don't have to do too many steps. You see the difference? This side with the foundation versus this side, that's much lighter, all right? So I like to grab the elastic band. Whenever my wig has an elastic band, I like to grab that, put it on first, and then flip the wig over, okay? All right, so now grab this part, pull it back. I'm gonna pull it up a little more and adjust it. Wow, family. Do you see that match with the skin? It's giving skin. This is without any glue whatsoever. No spraying, no nothing. So all I'm doing now is I'm just finger combing it. Wow. This is so pretty, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is too pretty. This is way too pretty. I haven't done anything to it, and look, it's completely glueless, okay? See it up close? I'm gonna add just a tiny little bit of baby hairs on the sides here. Just a tiny bit, okay? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of 𝐻𝐿 spray, not glue, spray, just because I'm going out and I'm gonna be dancing, I'm gonna be having a lot of fun, and I don't want my wig to slip off, okay? I'm gonna grab my 𝐻𝐿 glue spray. I'm gonna push my hair back a little bit and then spray it down, just the perimeter of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna pull it back up, put it where I want it to land. All right, now I'm gonna grab my 𝐒𝐀𝐈𝐄 and my toothbrush. I like to do this the old school way. You guys know that by now. Grab a little bit of gel and just grab that little part that I put out before and swoop it back. All right, so I'm gonna grab my tie again. Ooh. All right, let's tie this down. I actually like to tie it down just to make it tighter. I don't use the Velcro, I tie it down. All right, family, so while that's doing its thing, let me turn around. Do you see how big it is? All right, family, so it's been a few minutes. Let me go ahead and take this off. It's been about 5 minutes. The moment of truth. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that, y'all. Look at that hairline. You couldn't tell me that's not my hair. Stop. This is so pretty. So family, this wig is pre-plugged, which means you don't have to do anything. It saves you a whole lot of time from plugging, especially if you don't know how to plug, because you could leave a bald spot, and that's the last thing you want to do when you get your hair. It's also pre-bleached. It uses HD lace. You can do some braiding styles. You can also part it where you want. I know I have a middle part bust down right now because I do love a middle part, especially when it comes to curly hair, but you can wear it anywhere. You can flip it over. You can do the flip over method. You can swing it, you can do whatever. The great thing I like about this hair is that it's really, really easy to do. It takes absolutely no time. You literally pull it out of the box, put it on as a glueless wig, or you can choose to use the 𝐻𝐿 glue, or you can use any kind of glue you want. So I'm gonna be leaving all of the details about this hair down in the description box below. I also have a discount code for my viewers only. Go ahead and check it out. And I'm gonna be inserting some pictures of when I go out this evening so you guys can see how cute your girl looks. And I love the fact that their brand matches my theme for my birthday. It's all pink, all right? I'm a pink girly. Love, love, love pink, and that's what we're doing today, all right, family? So thank you, 𝐒𝐿 for sending this hair over. I absolutely love it. Let me show you all the size of it. I love, 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 love the hairline. It's giving natural. It's just doing what it's supposed to do, and I'm here for it. I love it. You can put product in this hair. I chose not to put a lot of product in it, especially water, because I want it to be big. So all I have is this product here. I think I got this from Ulta. I don't remember, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on just to team it a little bit, but I do want it to stay big. I want the bigness, but I just wanted to show you all how this hair can be defined if you really, really wanted to do something, and the curls come out so nicely. It's given. Family, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would like to check this hair out, go ahead and check the info in my description box and you'll get all of the info and the discount code for my viewers only. And thank you to 𝐒𝐀𝐿 for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we